How to fix the Mac search bar showing a white screen. If Spotlight Search opens with a blank or white screen and doesn't show your apps or search results, here's how to fix it. First, click the Apple menu in the top left corner. Next, open System Preferences or System Settings depending on your macOS version. If you're using System Preferences, click Spotlight. Now, scroll down, then select the Search Privacy tab. Click the plus button and add your Macintosh HD drive to the list, then tap Done. Wait a few seconds, then select Macintosh HD from the list and click the minus button to remove it. This forces your Mac to rebuild the Spotlight search index. If you're using a newer version of macOS and don't see Spotlight directly, open System Settings and use the search box at the top to search for Spotlight. Once you've removed Macintosh HD from the privacy list, close the settings window. Now press Command plus Space to open Spotlight and search for an app or file. If the search results still don't appear, restart your Mac and test Spotlight again. You can also rebuild the Spotlight index using Terminal. Open Terminal and enter sudo mdutl -e/. Press Return, enter your Mac password if prompted, and wait for the indexing process to complete. Then press Command plus Space and test Spotlight again. And that's it. This is how you can fix the Mac search bar when it shows a white or blank screen and doesn't display apps. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more helpful Mac tutorials. And I'll see you in the next one.